Can't find me love.
A lot of research because you wanted to get it as accurate as possible. From just the trims on your Sgt. Pepper costumes, to the color of their shoes, to the type of buttons that are on each costume piece. And they're not easy to find. You can't just walk into any store and purchase them. Everybody has a different color. Paul is blue and pink. The braiding, all of the trim, everything on his is pink. He has the OPP patch on it. That's officer in the UK.